Hi, I'm Isa Baksa. Welcome to Isang Manunulat Shorts. Today's topic is 6 Bad Clients Freelance Writers Should Avoid, Part 7. Ever wonder why you keep attracting bad clients? It's not just bad luck, it's you. The law of attraction says your thoughts become things. And in your rush to land freelance gigs, you might unknowingly invite the wrong clients in. Maybe you're looking in the wrong places. Job sites overcrowded with writers willing to work for $5. Bad clients love that. Or maybe it's how you pitch. I'd be honored to work for a reduced rate. I'm willing to lower my price if you will hire me. Desperation attracts exploitation. And if you apply for everything hoping something sticks, chances are you'll end up with clients who don't respect your craft. So shift your mindset, know your worth, and find the right clients because in freelancing, you don't chase opportunities, you attract them. Visit isangmanunulat.com and read the full blog post. Thanks for watching.